Right now, your trailer could be hiding problems that'll cost you thousands, and you won't even know until it's too late. From hidden rust to blown bearings, these 5 problems will wreck your wallet if you ignore them. But here's the good news. I'll show you exactly how to avoid every single one. One is rust and corrosion. Corrosion is like cancer for trailers. Once it starts spreading, it doesn't stop. And if you wait too long, that $50 can of paint turns into a $5,000 repair. Before I tell you how to avoid it though, I have a bonus problem at the end that won't just protect you from major problems, but it'll actually save you money in the short term as well. So how do you avoid rust problems? Wash your trailer, especially after salt or mud gets on it. If it's a steel trailer, touch up scratches with spray paint. And if you really want to level up, use a rust inhibitor spray on both aluminum and steel trailers. Stop rust early and you'll add years to your trailer's life. I'm already getting hot. It's been a while since I've done this. It's nice that the weather's not too bad though. I am enjoying actually getting to be outside while I do stuff. Problem number 2, worn bearings. Here's a scary thought. Your entire trailer rides on bearings the size of a golf ball. If those wear out or seize up, you're looking at scorched spindles, ruined axles, and maybe even losing a wheel on the road. How do you avoid it? Grease them regularly, check for play in the hubs, and don't ignore squeaking or grinding. That's your trailer begging for help. Good bearings are cheap. Replacing an axle, not so much. Not so much. Before I get to the third problem, comment below and let me know if I should make a video about how to replace trailer bearings. It's not difficult and it can save you a ton of money compared to having it done at a shop. Problem number 3, improper towing and not paying attention to the weight rating. Overloading your trailer is like strapping a 100-pound backpack to your back and trying to run a marathon. It might work for a while, but eventually something's going to snap. The difference in human bodies and trailers though, your trailer isn't going to lay down in the grass and pass out before it completely fails. Axles bend, tires blow, brakes fail, and suddenly you're out thousands. How do you avoid it though? Know your trailer's GVWR and payload, and know your truck's tow rating. And don't push past those limits. I know it's tempting to push past the payload, but respect the numbers or you'll end up paying the price. My arm hurts. Problem number 4 is axle damage. Ever hit a pothole so hard you thought you cracked a tooth? Well, your trailer feels it too. Bent axles throw off tire alignment, cause uneven wear, and lead to dangerous sway. How do you avoid it? Inspect your trailer regularly. Look for tires wearing on one side more than the other, and if your trailer starts pulling funny, get the axles checked before it gets worse. Catch it early, save big money. Problem number 5. Problem number 5 is structural damage or cracking welds. Before I dive into it though, it's my goal to help people make more informed trailer decisions. So on this channel, I cover everything from the initial purchase to maintenance and even upgrades. So if that's something you need, make sure to subscribe. Your trailer's welds are the backbone holding everything together, but heavy loads, rough roads, or cheap manufacturing can cause cracks. And once a weld starts failing, the whole frame is at risk. How do you avoid this though? Do a quick walk around your trailer every once in a while, look for hairline cracks in the frame or welds, and then occasionally crawl under the trailer and look more in depth. Fix small problems now or watch them turn into big, ugly bills later. Before I get to the bonus tip, which of these problems have you run into before? Drop it in the comments because your story might just save somebody else a fortune. So the bonus problem is low tire pressure. This one's sneaky. Low pressure doesn't just ruin your tires, it wrecks your suspension, overworks your axles, and kills your fuel economy. How to avoid it? Check your tire pressure as frequently as possible. Get a good tire gauge. It's cheaper than a new set of tires. Properly inflate your tires and it'll save you money every mile. What's the best part of these problems? Every single one is absolutely preventable. After all, the cheapest trailer repair is the one you never had to make. I've got plenty more tips coming, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and thanks for watching.